Hello everyone, this is Varun Dubey. We have some exciting features with the BuddyX Pro update, and these features will also be released with the BuddyX free version of the themes. First of all, we are coming up with the post format support for the BuddyX theme. First of all, now you can make your blog items like a video, links, galleries, quotes, images like this one. And when you are editing your blog items, you have the backend option to edit any blog item and select the corresponding post format, and the corresponding post format will display in their corresponding layout, and that will also display on the blog archive. Just like you can see here, we have a video blog, we have a gallery blog, we have a audio format blog, and we have a quotation blog. We also have a link format blog. Inside the backend option, each post format have their own dedicated options. Like this one is the video option, so you have a option to include the video URL, and same to that one. When you are going to include a gallery option, you can also include the gallery images. For the image, you can also set a featured image which will be used for that blog item. For the links, you can include your link title and the link URL. For the quotation, you can include the quotation text and the quotation author. And these meta boxes are dedicated to each individual format, and you just have to toggle them and include the corresponding value. And the values what you have included in these meta boxes will be displayed on the archive and the single block layout. And after this post format support, we have also included a couple of new layout for the single block display, and we have also introduced like wide layout for the blog items and the short layout for the blog item. Going to one single blog items first. Okay, I'm trying to open this blog item. Okay, now you can see that this UI is a little bit more condensed, keeping white space, just like modern blog item, modern blog you are checking on website nowadays. And you can also customize it from the backend option. For the blog layout, we have options like this on the side blog options. First of all, we have this white option and this whole container option. So in that way, the blog will display like this one, and with the short container, it will display in something like 700 pixel width, and this is more popular nowadays. That's why we have kept it as a default one. And for the blog one, we are also going to come up with 4 different layout and as a global setting, and these global setting can also be overridden at individual blog level. So you can pick which layout you are going to opt for each individual blog. And we have also included a social box, so like these Facebook, Twitter can also be available here as a floating one. And the first layout is on the image on the top, and then title and the author details. The second layout is where the title and the author details will become on the top, and the image will be displayed below that one. Next one is you can display this author meta on the image itself, the featured image, like this. And second, you can also split up these space as left side, right side, and it will come like this one. And we also have a layout option for the blog archive. When I'm going to the blog page, we have global option for the blog archive. You can pick these options from here. Like currently we are displaying the grid layout. You can choose with Missouri or with Missouri options, and we also have a thumbnail view like this one, and you can display these image position left or right based on your requirement. And there's a default view where image is coming on the top. So you can use it with a sidebar, and there's one more view we have included recently. in which image is going to be displayed backward, and on some overlay we are going to display text like this, and that will also display the post format to which it belongs. And after these features, we have also extended some functionalities for the top navigation. And earlier we had only the notification icon on the top. In the recent update, we have also included the message and the cart icon here, and we have also restructured the left panel on the toggle, and that will open the primary menu, and that will display the user menu. What we had done here, we had moved the space for the user icon, and which was cutting space here and using some more space, and that's why we had placed it on the mobile panel. And user menus will be available here, and the primary menu will be available here, and the sub navigation will also work very well here. And that also goes to the mobile section like this one. So in that way, you are able to display your community specific icons, and with all notification messages and the cart icon if you are focused on the WooCommerce part. And you can also enable and disable these icons which are going to display on the top using our customizer options. And as a new options, what we have here on a single blog post, we have also included a interactive sections like how much progress bar you have made, like this one. Like suppose that you have scrolled down to 50%, then it will also navigate back with you on that one. And we have also removed the lazy load option, because those options are now the part of the WordPress code itself. That's why those lazy load options are not required. Images can be loaded as by default from the theme point of view, and you can manage it using any cache plugin or WordPress core itself. Hopefully you will like these features, and if you have any suggestions, feel free to write us or contact us. We will help on those points. Thank you.